Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to change any image's color to any color you want using Canva. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to change colors just like these images using Canva with simple steps anyone can follow. Let's dive into the process. First, create a new project. Choose any size you want. Go to Elements to add an image or upload one. I'm going to add a car picture. Now go to Edit. Click on Adjust. Scroll down to Color Edit. Let's change this to blue or any color you want. You'll see all the document colors here. Now let's delete this image and try another one. For example, a butterfly image. I'm going to choose this one. Go to Edit. Click on Adjust. Scroll down and change the colors to any color you want. You can change the color from here. As you can see, you can change each part color separately. And that's it, easy peasy. Try it and tell us what you think of the results. Here's a recap of what we've done today. Added the image we want to change, went to Edit, clicked on Adjust, scrolled down to Color Edit, and changed the color of the image. If you like this video, like and share this tutorial and subscribe to the channel to learn more about Canva. See you in next video.